Okay. So I know how to play this game, guys. So in the console, you try to tell me. I know how to do the upgrades and everything. I completely know how to play this game. So I already started it. And this game is like this That's the first time I ever instructions, okay? I'm gonna trick him into thinking I'm really just gonna build that. I'm gonna explode you! I'm gonna explode that monkey house. We do not need it. We do not need it until we demolish. And then I like to upgrade to stuff. So I like to do things right. Sorry about the noise. This is sorry about the noise. So I'm sitting on my couch right now. I'm just a kid. Soon I'm gonna be doing a drawing my life thing. I'm good enough. That's what some YouTubers do, I believe. So should I think I should go with if I had a super monkey already, I'd definitely be a hacker. I'm just saying. And Bloons TV Battler is actually a hacker. I need level 30 for a water fountain statue. So I discovered a land, and I'm gonna discover another one. You know what I mean? Like the biome. Please don't be embarrassed. You're probably not. Try to get this charger in the right position. Don't even charge. That sucks. You have to be on like the right position. That really sucks though. And he keeps popping out. You really don't want to charge the charger at my house. And I actually don't have my mom at this house. New land discovered. Please don't be embarrassed. You're gonna be embarrassed. I'm just gonna go into some one load land. You're looking at that was worth it. I said it, even though it was the same thing as so.
Okay.
Guys, let's see if I have another request. The last one I need to let me see if I can do the request. So the request is build a ranged king. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Right now, this will actually end of the episode. So guys, after I do this, hope you enjoy. I like to get some of my series, so then I feel like it's just gonna be fun just making a series. Yeah, I saw the range can. Yeah, I'm able to build the range can. The range can is actually pretty good because it can attack more than one range. It's not a bad talent, not wrong, guys. Let's see if I have any more news. I can't buy that. But actually, I'm gonna see what request the scientist wants me to do. He wants me to build a 1 out of 2 minutes. Okay, I can do that. That's easy. Just 1 out of 2 minutes. I don't know why I said videos, but okay. I actually try to make my videos interesting with that noise. Is the funny noises. Guys, sorry, but